follow up to yesterday's podcast. I'm the Butler. I'm a full time reseller on eBay. Today we have a full live phone conversation with eBay customer support, and they'll be helping me remove a negative feedback. Let's get into it. So, if you heard yesterday's podcast, I received a letter from a buyer who wanted to talk about an item they purchased from me and how my listing was in error. The buyer was correct, my listing was in error. However, they started taking liberty with me, thinking they could extort me. And this is a pattern with a lot of sellers that has been going on for many years. And I take stands on these. I don't allow people to extort me. This person wanted me to send them 20 bucks or they were going to leave me a negative feedback. So I did not send them 20 bucks. I don't give into extortion. I wrote them a really nice letter saying how they cannot treat sellers this way. And I woke up this morning and I had a negative feedback. However, I protected myself well, and we're going to have this removed with a live phone conversation. So if you have any comments, leave them below. I'd love to hear your opinions on that. But without any further ado, I'm going to play the recorded phone conversation. Enjoy. Take care.
Hi, thanks for calling. Hi, Darren. How are you doing today, sir?
Very well, thank you.
Great. So, how can I help you? What seems to be the problem?
I'm 1 second. I'm just trying to pull up a case right now.
Sure.
Um, I
Go ahead.
I received a. I'm trying to find the item number, but I received a negative feedback this morning, and um, I wanted to. I just wanted you to take a look at it.
Sure.
So 1 second. The item number. Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am.
It's 202539209552.
All right. Thank you so much, Darren, for that information. I'm gonna look it up here in my end.
Sure.
Negative feedback. So this is gonna be for the buyer of Riv Canelia 2013, right?
Sure. Yeah, that was for the iPad.
Okay, yeah. It's
Okay.
gonna be for the Apple iPad, and the member's comment is about more like the item I received does not correspond with the item listed. Is that
Sure.
right?
Can so last night this same buyer sent me two letters that I responded to. Could you read both those letters, please? Could you read the correspondence?
Hold on. Is this about the extortion is not allowed on eBay? You
Well,
cannot.
no, it's about the buyer as said if before he leaves a feedback would I like to send him $20.
Oh, hold on. Let me just try to check. Is this still gonna be on the Riv Canelia 2013, sir?
Yeah, yeah. Would you see what? Did you see any more or something?
Hold on. Yes, I see. Before I do a feedback, I propose to get a refund from you of $20 for this. Uh-oh.
Uh
This
oh.
buyer is this buyer is more like, trying to extort something from you, sir.
No way. Hey, so what do you think? You think maybe together we could remove this negative feedback
Yes,
because the guy's trying
yes,
to?
sir.
Oh, aren't you wonderful?
Yes, sir. So with this, for us to make sure that this negative feedback would be removed, I might be able to call our appeals department so that we can be able to make sure that this feedback would be removed immediately on our
Yes.
behalf.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. Because I'm
All right.
I'm aware that under policy and procedure that
All
buyers
right.
like this are not allowed to extort or use retaliatory feedback if their extortion doesn't work.
Correct. That's correct, sir. Definitely, you're correct. And with this one, sir, everything is documented about your, your conversation with this buyer. So rest assured, we have a proof
Now I also have two reference numbers from where I called customer service yesterday, and I got another number. Do you want both of them?
Yes, sir. Can I have that?
The first one is 1-200-312-05-7787.
Alrighty.
And the second number is 102 oh, I'm sorry, 1-2003-159-54887.
Thank you, sir. I got it here. The both of them. The both of the SR number here that you have given me. Wanted to report the buyer for the buyer to buyer to okay. I see that. I believe they haven't the only thing they do here, sir, is to report this buyer. All right, to tag this one as an abusive buyer. So with this, what we can do for us to make sure that it will not have it will not affect the image that you have already on eBay, because I believe you have already established your name here on eBay. So with this one, sir, I need to call our escalation department for us to make sure that this negative feedback would be removed on your account.
Very good.
Okay?
Thank you.
Not a problem, sir. So stay online for a moment. I will be calling them right now for you.
Absolutely. Thank
Okay?
you.
All right, sir.
How about that familiar jingle? Remember, we want to stay calm. There's no sense getting upset here. Either you're right or you're wrong. In this case, I'm completely right. So it's just going to take a few minutes, and this will be a memory. So I woke up this morning to a negative feedback from the Apple iPad buyer, which I'm going to quickly dispatch and get rid of. So this is a live phone call.
Hello, Darren.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for waiting. So yeah, I have actually here Ralph from our appeals team, and I have already told him your concern today, and Ralph would be pleased to help you out with your concern today. Okay?
Well, I forgot your name again. What was your name?
This is Ella, Darren.
Ella, you are so wonderful. I want to thank you for your
Not a
professionalism.
problem. Not a problem, Darren. And if anything would be would be our pleasure to help you out today. Okay?
Uh,
And Ralph, I want to say thank you for taking the call as well, and you both have a great day.
Thank
Bye
you,
for
Ella.
now. Hey,
Ralph.
Darren.
Ralph, how you doing?
Well, I'm doing great, sir. Thank you for asking. How about you? How are you doing today?
Living the dream, Ralph. Living the dream every day.
Well, that's great to hear. So yeah, my colleague mentioned about a negative feedback that you have received
Yeah.
that you want to get rid of.
Yeah, do you have the item numbers so we could get more in depth on the letters?
Yeah, sure. I do have here the Apple iPad 2 16 gig Wi-Fi unlocked. So,
Yeah. So if you could
stated
just
here the item. Sorry about that, sir.
oh,
So, stated here the item I received does not correspond with item listed. Yeah, can you tell me more what really happened? Maybe
um
from
yesterday I
my.
received yesterday I received two letters from the buyer. So if you could just start by reading the two letters he sent me and my two responses, I think you'll be able to come to a conclusion.
Yeah, stated here, hi, I got the item. It doesn't have slot for SIM card and listed as Wi-Fi cellular. Wow, how can this be? Alright, so yeah, you listed the item as Wi-Fi only, and the buyer thought it has a SIM slot.
He thought it was a cell phone. It was a tablet. He thought it was a cell phone. He thought I listed it as a cell phone. What? So
Yeah,
you just keep reading through the letters.
yeah. Stated here, cellular means mobile data, and what you sent is just an iPad just with Wi-Fi, not cellular. Before I do a feedback, I propose to get a refund from you, $20. So yeah, you just did actually reply
Yeah, so do you see anything wrong here? Now, this person just left me a negative feedback.
It stated here that before he left a feedback, he asked first for a font, which is not really allowed here in eBay.
That's correct. And I don't promote that type of behavior because if I give him $20, he's just going to take it from the next person and the next person and I'm going to be part of the problem and I will not promote this bad behavior. So, and it's not allowed and due to the fact that it's against policy and procedure on eBay, I know you guys will take care of this.
Yeah, definitely. What I'm going to do here is I will further check all the information regarding this negative feedback. Now, if it's fine, can I place you in a brief hold? Should not take more than 2 minutes.
Absolutely. Yeah, please go right ahead.
Thank you. Stand on line.
So you see, these guys, they don't want to help you. If they, this guy, he knows policy.
Sorry for the wait.
Yeah,
Alright, so I've already investigated everything here. Now, I will be removing this negative feedback under feedback extortion, sir. So, I just want to let you know that once we submit this, the seller will be notified as well. Or, I mean, the buyer will be notified as well. So, don't worry. We have already reported this buyer as well. So, you don't have to do anything else. And yeah, it will be removed. Just give it at least 10 to 20 minutes.
very good. And your name was Ralphie?
It's Raphael.
Raphael. You know, I think I've talked to you before, man. I've called you the turtle, didn't I?
Yes.
Dude,
You did.
Ravi, you are so awesome. I'm so happy. Never do I get a customer service person a second time. This is so awesome. Raphael, you're awesome, man. You've helped me before.
Yeah.
You're awesome, Raphael. That is so cool, man.
Thank you so much for the appreciation. Well, any further questions, perhaps?
No, no, Raphael. Hey, you have a wonderful weekend. You guys are so awesome. I love my team over at eBay. You guys are, you know, Raphael, you're the best part of eBay. You know that. Hey, oh, absolutely. Thank you, Raphael. Bye bye. That's how it's done in the big leagues, team. Hey, you guys take care. I'll talk to you soon.